Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to add borders to a table in Microsoft Word document. So as you can see in my screen, this table is already there's borders in this table. So first I'm going to select this table, and you'll find an option called table layout and table design, and you will find an option called borders in under table design tab. So first I'm going to remove the borders so that I can add borders, right? So I'm going to choose and click on no borders. So you see that there's no border in this table. So I'm going to select this table again, and I'm going to add borders. Like I'm going to add top borders first. So I'm going to add top borders. So now see, there's a top borders has been created. Okay, I'm going to select it again, and then I'm going to choose a bottom border for it. So a bottom border has been created, but for this row, the column headings, I am going to have another border just underneath this. Okay, so I'm going to go there. I have already selected it, and then choose bottom border. So bottom border has been created in this table. So this is how you add tables in your Microsoft Word document. But if you want to add table as it was in the original form, you can select it and go to choose all borders. Okay, so then you can use this all borders, but you can also just use the outside borders. So you have this outside borders and no borders in the cell, right? So inside borders, and then this is how it looks like, that there's no border outside. Okay, so from you can use the right border, but there's no left border. So left border, no right border. So this is how you choose the different border options in Microsoft Word document. I hope this was helpful. If you find my channel helpful and tutorials helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.